Well, here we are. It is autumn. We're almost in November, and I'm at Meadow today in South Molton, which is one of our really top-notch sites that we're dealing with. And I'm here today to talk to Lauren Jones, who looks after this site for us here in South Molton and has done for some time. How long have we been looking after the site, Lauren?
6 years now, since it was just a field. So yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic for our office. We're incredibly proud of the development. And to see it coming to an end as it is now and see the finished product, it really just speaks for itself, in truth.
And you've touched on something there when you say is coming to an end. So we've had obviously a lot of successful sales, and so we've now got, I'm guessing, only a few left and few
20.
opportunities. Just 20.
Just 20 homes remaining.
Just 20 homes remaining. So if you want one of these properties, you're going to have to move quickly. So talk to us a little bit about the quality of these properties, these Baker Estate properties.
For me, which is why I love it when someone comes to the site for the first time. The quality is apparent from the minute you pull in. The open space, the design of each home, it's been really well thought out. They look different, they're all detached with garages, and there's just so much green open space.
I was going to say that just sat here in this lovely show home, the space outside, the garden space and the terrace and what have you, it's quite large. Most of the properties, do they have gardens of this size? Absolutely,
and I think that's what stood out the most for people who come here and choose to move on to this development, is the feeling of space around them. They're detached, they've got garages, the gardens are of great sizes, you've got open green space around you, and I think that is what has made it so successful, is because of the thought that's gone into what they have done here.
And also, knowing the area that I do, although not quite as well as you in the South Molton office, but South Molton as a town is a very popular market town. There's a lot going on in the town.
That's the thing, it really is your traditional market town. You've got a twice weekly market, which is obviously award-winning, best in the country, which happens twice a week. You've got supermarkets, doctors, dentists. So you feel, you've got that country community life that everyone is looking for, but you're a stone's throw from the A361. So if you want to get to Tiverton, to the M5, to go where you need to go, it's really accessible. So it really offers, for me, the best of both.
And the Exmoor National Park is a short drive away as well.
Less than 10 minutes and you're on Exmoor.
Yeah. So going back to the properties, we've got a range of properties left, which are 3 and 4 bedroomed houses and bungalows.
So all we've got left now is actually 3 bedroom and 2 bedroom homes. We've got the Primrose design, which is the largest home that we offer, which is a 3-bed single story bungalow with a double garage. We've got the popular Holly, which is a chalet bungalow. So that's a master ensuite on the ground floor and 2 large double bedrooms upstairs. And then the final one is the Daisy, where we only actually have 2 of those left. That's our 2-bedroom bungalow, single level, with sort of an open plan design for the living space. So that one's really popular as well.
And I'm guessing that the sort of buyer that we've been entertaining are people from both within the area and maybe from outside the area as well, quite a wide market of people.
Yeah, it's been a really nice mix actually of locals that have seen it sort of start happening 6 years ago and wanted to be up here, and we've had a lot of people move up here from surrounding villages and the town itself. And it's so lovely when we bump into them because they're so happy here. And I think that's the big difference. And people who've moved from away, you've got everything on your doorstep, so you're not isolated, you've got everything you need, but you get that country, relaxed way of life, which we all like.
And so, in terms of prices, what do the prices start from at the moment?
So, the starting price that we've got is the Daisy design. They're available at 350,000, ranging all the way up to sort of 550 for the largest designs that we do. But with our larger home styles, some of them now, in my opinion, are in fantastic positions because you've got rolling countryside views out your front door.
Yep.
So they're, for me, those are going to be, they're going to be gone very quickly.
So if some of our lovely clients want to view the properties, how is the best way to go about viewing one of these properties?
Give us a call, email us, contact us through our website. We are, like I said at the start, we're so proud of this development and we really love showing you around. And we don't have to say much. The minute you arrive, this development really does speak for itself. So please do come and have a look if you are interested.
Well, there we are. Thank you very much, Lauren. I hope you've enjoyed our discussion today and you found this useful if you were thinking of buying a property like this, a quality new home on the outskirts of South Molton. And if you would like to view, contact our South Molton office. Go to our website www.webbers.co.uk and look up Lauren in the local South Molton office and she'll be very pleased to help you. Thanks very much for listening.